Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one we have number 1. So we have negative number 3 in here. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. Later that, we divide both sides by negative number 3. So the square root we change by u. The s we change by this one. So u and u, we have u square number 2 over negative number 3. I will put outside. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. So number 3 I will put outside. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.